It's funny that you said, yeah, that's good flow, Tim, because I was about to talk about the sixth sense, and there isn't one. There is no sixth sense, and if you really take the time to examine it, a sixth sense is not even conceivable to a five-sensory consciousness, because you would be thinking about it either in terms of sight, sound, taste, touch, or smell. So there's nobody that can claim to have a sixth sense within a five-sense paradigm. But what the sixth sense has been mistaken for is the extended range of the five, as well as what I call sensory overlap. And sensory overlap is huge and amazing. I'd like to explain that briefly, and then I'll know you'll have something to say on that. So in the center of our mind, we have, in our brain, we have a cortex called the thalamus, and its job is to decode vibrations and send them to the correct place within the brain for interpretation. So if a rainbow spectrum light comes in through the eyes, before it goes to the sense of sight back here at the back of the brain, it first passes through the thalamus, and the thalamus says, oh, that's rainbow spectrum, let's send that vibration to the sense of sight, and then it gets interpreted visually. And same thing, 20 to 20,000 hertz, they say, oh, the thalamus says that's sound, that goes to the hearing interpretation. Well, by studying energy, by gaining an electromagnetic presence within your body, by gaining an energetic or a spiritual presence, you can gain a conscious awareness within your thalamus cortex and direct these vibrations wherever you wish. So you could be looking at a tree that's like 50 feet away and feeling its vibrations passing through you because you have this electromagnetic presence within your body, and then you can just connect that vibration to your sense of smell. Next thing you know, you're smelling that tree as though your nose is pressed right up into it, even though it's like 50 feet away. Or you can overlap the eyesight with the sense of touch, and next thing you know, you have a type of electromagnetic sense of touch with the tree. So there's massive ways that these senses can be overlapped. I think something like 100. I forget the exact math on it, but I believe that this is where people have mistakenly imagined that there's a sixth sense.